So, just a little bit of extra information for today. This week, I was speaking to someone about his bottle jack or a bottle jack that he's used for many years, but there was one little feature that he did not know about. So, maybe you didn't know either. Maybe you did. If you did, very good for you. But if you're going to use your bottle jack, this is a 10-ton bottle jack, but you get many types. You get from 2 ton up until 30 tons or something like that. But whatever the size may be, if you're going to jack this up all the way, I jacked it a bit beforehand, but let's see how high this goes on its own, like so. If you jack it all the way up until there's no more jacking leverage, and you still needed a bit more extra, almost all of these bottle jacks have got the screw-in top part like this, which you can unscrew. And look at that. Let's see how far this one goes out. There we go, up until where it stops. That is at least 10 centimeters or about 4 inches extra lifting height, which you may have known about or you may have not. So until next time, thank you very much, guys.